Lucy wakes up with a big smile on her face. Today, she is going to the beach. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. She feels excited. What will she find at the beach today? Lucy puts on her favorite summer dress. It is yellow like the sun. She grabs her beach bag. Inside, she packs a towel, sunscreen, and a book. Lucy loves to read at the beach. She also packs a bottle of water and some snacks. She is ready for a fun day. On her way, Lucy hears the birds singing. She walks slowly, enjoying the warm breeze on her face. After a short walk, Lucy arrives at the beach. The sound of the waves is calming. She finds a nice spot near the water. Lucy lays down her towel and sits. She takes a deep breath. The air smells salty, fresh. Lucy feels relaxed. Lucy puts on her sunglasses. She looks around. Families play near the water. Children laugh and run. People are building sandcastles. There is so much joy around. Lucy decides to read her book. But first, she puts on sunscreen. She does not want to get burned. The book is very interesting. It is about adventures in distant lands. As she reads, she imagines herself on a journey. An hour passes, and Lucy feels hungry. She takes out her snacks and water. She enjoys the taste of fresh fruits. They are sweet and juicy. Lucy takes a walk along the shore. The sand is warm under her feet. She collects some shells. Each shell is different and pretty. Lucy puts them in her bag as a memory of her day. She sees a colorful kite in the sky. A child is flying it with her father. Lucy smiles at them. She loves the bright colors against the clear sky. The day is coming to an end. The sun begins to set. The sky turns orange and pink. It is beautiful. Lucy sits on her towel and watches the sunset. She feels calm and happy. She is grateful for this peaceful day. As the sun disappears, Lucy packs her things. She brushes the sand off her feet. She takes one last look at the sea. Lucy feels content and ready to go home. She walks back slowly, her heart full of good memories. Lucy thinks about her day. She is glad she came to the beach. It was a perfect day. She hopes to come back soon. Maybe tomorrow the adventure will be even better.